Melissa Gasper, your friend and realtor at Realty ONE Group in Phoenix, Arizona, with my partner and my friend, Kyle Lofgren, and we are here shooting something very special. So take it away, Kyle.
We are here at the first of many Feature Fridays where we're going to be taking you around to local businesses in the Valley. Today we are at Cabana North Valley off of the I-17 in Dove Valley, and we're going to be taking you on a little tour of their amenities and some of the apartments that they have. So come along and let's check it out. Tosha, this is a new build, correct?
Finished building in November. Our first residents joined us in February. We have a 24-hour fitness center as well as a 24-hour pool. We have a beautiful Zen garden, and then we also have some outdoor fitness equipment as well.
What are some of the bedrooms and bathroom ranges, square footage for people that are interested?
We have studios, 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom, 2 bath apartments.
Or incentives that we should share out?
We have right now 8 weeks free.
That's fantastic. Hey guys, come on into the studio unit here. I'm going to show you around. We've got a nice big open space, full-size kitchen. The island will stay, so you'll see this in your unit. Is sleeping, living, work area all here. Separation between your bathroom and your living space. So if you do have guests over, they still have some privacy. Working from home, large closet, and full-size washer and dryer.
The main building here, a sparkling pool.
We've moved from the pool to the Zen garden. Some cornhole, we've got 3 hammocks, grills you can barbecue at, and just a place to zen. And we are upgrading from a studio to a 1-bedroom unit now. Similar style kitchen. Ranges here for pricing. Studios are going to start about $1,100, and then we're going to go up to $1,550 for 2 bedrooms. The bedroom, which is a nice size, and a huge walk-in closet. Washer and dryer, but you've got a little bit larger desk area for those work-from-home people.
Cabana North Valley, and we've seen all the amenities in the exterior. We've seen the Zen garden, the pool, the outdoor fitness center. We have an indoor fitness center. Has shown us some of the models.
Oh yeah, and a 1-bedroom unit. And don't forget they have 2-bedroom units. And then we're going to turn it back over to Tosha, who's going to tell us about some of the additional perks.
Thing is, with all the additional perks, there is no additional fee. Your smart home with the smart locks and the smart AC.
That's great. And you said there's 1 covered parking spot per unit, and there's also electric car charging on site.
It is pet friendly, so bring your pets and call Tosha today to see what you guys have left. We're about 50% full, right?
That is correct.
So it's going quick. Come on out to Cabana North Valley. And this has been a Feature Friday with Kyle Lofgren and Melissa Gasper, your realtors at Realty ONE Group in Phoenix.
Thanks, guys.